Hey guys, this vlog was taken last year on 2020. This was when I traveled to Kolkata during Durga Puja. Hope you like it. So hi guys, हम लोग अभी जाने वाले हैं न्यू टाउन. कहाँ पर?
शाहपुर जी.
हाँ?
शाहपुर जी.
Shahpur Ji. So I have never been to this place. So we are going there to pick up my cousin sister. She's coming home. She lives there and वहाँ पर she works there for TCS. So हम लोग जाने वाले हैं, उसको पिकअप करने वाले हैं. So देखते हैं रास्ते में क्या मिलता है, देखते हैं. हाय काकू, কেমন আছো?
আপনি কেমন আছেন?
All good. We are currently in Tomluk. So from Tomluk we are going to Kolaghat. Kolaghat থেকে কোথায়? উলবেড়িয়া. উলবেড়িয়া से हाँ ফুলেশ্বর তারপরে हाँ ফুলাঘর उसके ফুলাঘর हाँ তারপরে उसके बाद दक्षिणेश्वर उसके बाद एयरपोर्ट और उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे न्यू टाउन. तो इतना सारा हाँ. तो बीच में ये सब सारे पार करके जाना है. आज का वेदर भी बहुत क्लाउडी है, बहुत सही मौसम है, ज़्यादा धूप नहीं है. तो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. बस बारिश ना हो जाए क्योंकि मज़ा फिर किरकिरा हो जाएगा, राइट. तो हमारे साथ हमारा ड्राइवर दादा है जो हमको सारे प्लेसेस के बारे में बताएंगे. ठीक है, प्लीज़ दादा थोड़ा हेल्प कर देना. ठीक है, हमारे ब्लॉग में बताना है हमारे दर्शकों को. तो बस अभी आपको रोड्स भी दिखाऊंगा मैं, यहाँ का सब कुछ दिखाऊंगा. सो आई एम रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि वहाँ पर कुछ नया देखने मिलेगा. आई हैव नेवर बीन टू कोलकाता एक्चुअली, प्रॉपर कोलकाता का भी दर्शन नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई बीन इन हैदराबाद. बट इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आई एम गोइंग एंड पिकिंग अप माई कज़न सिस्टर. एंड रास्ते में देखते हैं क्या मिलता है, क्या मतलब जो भी मिलता है मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा ब्लॉग में. और आप लोग प्लीज़ मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए. और Calcutta was a colonial city developed by the British East India Company. Job Charnock was the administrator of East India Company, is credited as the founder of the city. Did you know Calcutta was formed by merging three villages, namely Kalikata, Govindapur and Sutanuti. Calcutta, which is now renamed as Kolkata, served as the capital of British India from 1772 to 1911. Today, I am going to give you a tour of this beautiful city, so watch this vlog till the end. So guys, we are going to pass through Hooghly Setu Bridge. आपको दिखाते हैं, it's beautiful and it's just 10 minutes from here. So आपको दिखाते हैं. Do you know Kolkata is the only Indian state to serve the busy bees with the tram service besides other modes of travel? There are many such interesting facts about this city and I am going to tell you few of them during this journey. On the screen you can see this beautiful bridge. Vidyasagar Setu, also known as Hooghly Bridge, is the longest cable-stayed bridge in India and one of the longest in Asia, and the second bridge after Howrah Bridge, built across the Hooghly River with a total length of 823 meters, which is approximately 2,700 feet. The foundation stone for the bridge was laid by Indira Gandhi on 20 May 1972. However, the construction began on 3rd July 1979 and the bridge took more than 22 years to complete. If you look carefully, you can see the famous Howrah Bridge on the other side, which is constructed parallelly to this bridge. It has a capacity to handle more than 85,000 vehicles in a day, and it is cable-stayed bridge with 121 cables in a fan arrangement built using steel pylons, which is 418 feet high. I am sure you must be wondering how much money has been spent to build this bridge. Any guesses? So let me tell you, a whopping amount of 3.8 billion was invested for constructing the Vidyasagar Setu. This bridge carries the NH 117, also known as the Kona Expressway. Is perhaps the most important cultural center of India. The blending of Eastern and Western culture influences over the centuries has stimulated the creation of numerous and diverse organizations that contribute to Kolkata's cultural life. People of Kolkata have long been active in literature and artistic pursuits. It is also a center of traditional and contemporary music and dance. We all know about Rabindranath Tagore, right? He was born here in Kolkata and he was the winner of Nobel Prize for Literature, whose remarkable creativity in poetry, music, drama and painting continues to enrich the cultural life of the city. It is said that Calcutta, the then capital of EIC India during British Raj, was the second most important city in the British colonies all over the world after London. And that is the reason major universities, economic industries and major institutions were constructed here. Some of the unknown facts about Kolkata is this city has the world's first polo club and the oldest polo club in the world, established by the British in Calcutta in 1858. Kolkata has Asia's largest and world's second planetarium known as Birla Planetarium, constructed in 1963, which was inaugurated by then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Kolkata also has the oldest zoo in the country. From Royal Bengal tigers to the greatest species of animals, the Alipur Zoo is literally something to be proud of, entertaining everyone since 1875. I can just speak for hours about this city. I really wish I could just go and visit all of these places, but I am just on a road trip to pick up my cousin and also give you a feel of this beautiful city. Me being Bengali and my roots being from this place, I never got an opportunity to explore this beautiful city. Now, on the screen what you're seeing is ITC Royal Bengal. It is located in the business district of the city. The 30-story ITC Royal Bengal is inspired by the regional history and culture of Kolkata. ITC Royal Bengal is also located adjacent to ITC Sonar and connected to it via walkway. The two ITC hotels in Kolkata are an embodiment of the eternal spirit of Bengal, with the warmth of Indian hospitality at the heart of each. In close proximity to the city's largest convention and exhibition venues, and that is why they are an ideal meeting and events destination. Together, the two hotels features 693 rooms, suites and service apartments, 12 dining destinations, 22 meeting and event venues spread across 100,000 square feet, 2 wellness destinations and more. It's a lovely day with a beautiful weather and I'm really loving the drive across the city. I feel lucky to visit Kolkata during Durga Puja, which is the most awaited and fascinating festival of Kolkata. During the Navratri festival, the entire city becomes illuminated with numerous puja pandals. This is the best time to feel the spirit of the city. Guys, कोलकाता का फर्स्ट हैंगिंग रेस्टोरेंट ये हमारे ऑन द वे में आने वाला है, सो हम दिखाने वाले हैं. उसके ऊपर नहीं जाएंगे बट बाहर से दिखा ही सकते हैं. सो इट्स ह्यूज, सो इट्स जस्ट 10 minutes फ्रॉम हियर, सो वेट फॉर इट. Even though cricket is the most popular sport throughout India, Kolkata's heart beats for football. It is so popular that it runs a football league which is the second oldest in the world. From tea seller to entrepreneurs, everyone is a football fan in Kolkata. World famous Kolkata cuisine makes it a heaven for food lovers, whether it's mache jhol, rice and fish curry, mishti doi, a sweet yogurt, puchka pani puri golgappa, or desserts such as rasgulla and sandesh. All are iconic dishes that give Kolkata its unique flavor. It is known as Vishwa Bangla Gate. It is city's first hanging restaurant, and the idea to make hanging restaurant was inspired from the structure of visitors gallery of Eiffel Tower of Paris and hanging restaurant of Malaysia. This is one of the most attractive places to visit in Kolkata. You can get a stupendous bird's eye view of the city which can seat 72 people. I wish I could go to this place and visit this place, but because of the safety reasons and lockdown, we were not allowed to go. But it's okay, there's always a next time. This mega structure was constructed by Housing Infrastructure Development Corporation on March 6, 2017, and it was completed within a span of 20 months. The height of Vishwa Bangla Gate is 55 meters, which is approximately 181 feet. There are public visiting areas hosting the restaurant itself, galleries and shops, which is circular in shape, located 25 meters above the ground level with a diameter of 220 meters. Vishwa Bangla Gate is open for common people and you can buy the tickets pricing 100 per head for 45 minutes, and it is open from 12 noon to 5 pm in 6 different time slots at an interval of 1 hour. Vishwa Bangla Gate shares memories and rich culture of the region with unique and rare photographs and visual delights. This restaurant, which is located in New Town in Kolkata, was inaugurated by Firhad Hakim, who is the Urban Development and Municipal Affairs Minister of West Bengal. And finally, it's time to meet my cousin. We're close to her place and I'm meeting her after a long time. Guys, we've reached New Town, जहाँ पर my cousin lives. So we're gonna pick her up and फिर चलते हैं फिर वापस जाने का. कुछ ऐसा प्लान नहीं है, बट रास्ते में देखते हैं अगर कुछ खाना पीना अगर खाना है तो खाएंगे, नहीं तो सीधा घर. क्या बोलती है? या हम लोग आ गए हैं मेरे कजिन के घर. दिस इज माय प्यारा कजिन. Chiku all set to go?
Yes.
चलो, let's go. No plans today, but let's see क्या होता है. But I really love this place. This is amazing. This place where we have come. We have huge buildings, and finally I met my cousin after 2 years, right? After 2 years, and it's
चाइना गेट. और देखो ताजमहल. चाइना गेट ना चाइना वॉल होता है. चाइना वॉल, सॉरी.
ओहो, this is Eco Park. क्या बात है. This is all seven wonders in Eco Park. This is Eco Park, guys. हम लोग I visited Kolkata during pandemic and lot of places were closed. But I really want to take time and explore this city if I ever get a chance. I was born in Kolkata but brought up in Hyderabad and I never got a chance to see the city completely. But if I ever get an opportunity, I will someday come and stay and explore everything about this city. People of Kolkata, they are very warm and welcoming and they know how to have fun and keep life entertaining. Bengalis are born intellectuals. If you're stuck with mathematics homework or you need immediate assistance to understand the philosophy, then your Bengali friend is just the person you need. They are always passionate about learning new things. Politics, science, philosophy, arts and even complex astronomy seems to be the favorite discussion topic of any Bengali. The bridge on the screen through which we are crossing Hooghly River is known as the Bale Bridge, or you can also call it as Vivekananda Setu. The colossal steel structure is 880 meters long and took 6 years to build, being completed in 1932. You can just take a boat, cruise, stroll along the walkway to admire this impressive engineering. Kolkata has been regarded as the cultural capital of India. It still boasts of theatres where regular dramas are enacted on weekends in the northern part of the city. In fact, drama theatres are more famous than the film halls. Every bong is a certified foodie because Bengalis never fail to celebrate the moment with delicious food. finally we are back home. It was an amazing road trip for me and I'm glad that I got to see the city. It's almost end of this vlog, but before we end the vlog, I want to show you some Durga Puja pandals located in every corner of the streets. If you like this vlog, do subscribe to my channel and support me, and if you like something in the vlog, do let me know in the comment box. Until next time, please take care of yourself. Goodbye and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.